Enjoy, mate. Imagine how many people out there would want to be touched by Ninja.
Yeah, that's right.
Mate, you're lucky, mate. A little bit of vomit came out then from me. Pick it up and jostle it. It's good, man. Oh, shit.
You're on?
Yeah. Skewered mat.
Yeah. Shish kebab.
Shish kebab.
Shishka.
Shish mat.
Right.
Alright, hang on a minute. Get me camera hands ready.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Zoom out.
Yeah. Matty, he's got some tight hamstrings, so he doesn't want anything real brutal or anything, but we need to flush to help him recover from a big sesh he had about 5 days ago, was it?
Oh, it was like a half sesh, but because after lockdown you haven't done stuff for a while.
You lifted 500 kilos, didn't you, Matty?
Yeah, around that.
So just a flush.
Oh, fuck.
Even
the wax on guy was bad.
Wax on, wax off.
I've got some ideas for a good flush, Matty.
Yeah.
Bit of jostling, bit of...
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Bit of quick movement today. It's good.
Moving on. This is the footy rub kind of style. Still our signature techniques, but yeah, not trying to be as intense and as perhaps as focused. But when we find gems, we'll pick them up, but it's not as not trying to investigate as hard as we normally do.
Don't want to walk away for a hint from a gem, do you, Ninja?
Yeah, you got to pick it up when you see it.
If you're a prospector.
Yeah. Don't leave it there for later because someone else might grab it.
Yeah. Take the glory.
Yeah.
Ninja, the camera's just focusing on your bicep here.
Is it? How's the bicep looking?
It's looking pretty big. It must be.
Bloody huge. Did a bit of extra. Did a workout with Dorf a couple of nights ago.
Did ya?
He was doing his bis and tries, and I did my functional movements.
Oh, crikey.
He's trying to be pretty broad. You feel something there, Matty?
I feel the whole thing.
The whole thing's just.
Oh, I'm so bad at copying it.
You're bad at copping it.
Come
on,
bad at coughing it. Just enjoy it, Matty.
Yeah.
Surrender, mate.
Yeah, surrender.
Let it in.
Oh, fucking.
You're gonna sneeze. Cameron sneezing.
Holy. Oh.
Enjoy, mate. Imagine how many people out there would want to be touched by Ninja.
Yeah, that's right.
Mate, you're lucky, mate.
They're envious right now. Think about the result.
Here we go. That's better.
He's letting go.
Letting go. Receive.
Pulling the hairs a bit.
That's good. That's fascia.
Just doing a bit of an edit.
Doing an edit?
Fill a few out. You've got plenty.
Yeah, there's plenty there.
Yeah, you're not lacking.
You're not gonna fucking miss them.
Ninja knows what it's like to lack when you're behind the 8 ball.
You can take some if you want.
Yeah, I could put some of those on.
I can do a line with your head, Ninja.
Yeah.
Some might come.
That sounds so weird.
That'd be weird.
Big broad head.
Different kind of head massage to what you
Oh shit! Sorry.
usually sign up for. Sit on a radio. Casually sitting on a radio.
Holy crap. Crikey on aisle 3.
Crikey on aisle 3.
Holy dolly. Crikey 101. The fuck? Yeah.
We're nearly there, Matty.
Let it out, Matty.
That's just what I got.
There's a demon coming out. Put it back in.
Come out, you evil spirit! Out!
This is me letting it out.
What do you think is that? I reckon one more real broad one through the lot. And I'll work a little bit on your
If you say so.
on your tendons, and then we'll tag team over. Let Aaron have a run on footy.
Run on the footy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to relax.
Just flush that whole thing.
Crikey. Crikey. Oh.
Veins looking good, Ninja.
Veins?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The main vein.
Veins. What have we been doing? We've been having a bit of practitioner refresher training of late. It's been a success.
Yeah, Friday morning trainings are the best.
Morning,
We alternate fortnightly. Oh no, sorry, weekly. So we're at Trentry Gully next week. Richmond was this morning. So we do a couple of hours of just extra training. So we've kind of been breaking down the body into different body parts and focusing on treatment plus corrective exercise, diagnostics, and developing some form of like framework or a plan to get more effective results. So it's been awesome, hasn't it, Ninj? It's been.
Yep.
Maddie's come to 2. It's been cool being able to hang out together more so than we normally do because we're always so busy treating.
Yeah, it's good.
Hence why there's not many YouTube videos out.
Yeah, it's taken
Busy.
We're the most productive in lockdown with online, eh?
Yeah, we've got time to do it.
Yeah.
The content.
Yeah, pump it out.
Yeah. No, it's been good to see all the different members of our team. We've got a lot of diversity in our team. We've got
We do.
a lot of new members. So just the energy is really, really good. Everyone's keen. Everyone wants to learn. Something about learning new things or refreshing on new things. Experiencing new things.
We did our values last week.
Yeah.
And there was lots of learning and research in people's top 3, which was great to see.
Yeah.
People want to be better, evolve and become more effective, know more things, add things to their toolkit. That's the biggest thing with us. We want to have a lot to our armoury when people come in.
Yeah. That's the beauty of getting perspectives, isn't it? Like you can see another way of doing something perhaps, or another way of thinking about something. So
That's it. Like you said, we've got a lot of different kind of personalities and different expertise within our team now, so we're learning a lot too.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah. All right, Maddie, you survived.
You take them in. I need to derobe.
Got some layers on there, man.
I do.
Take it tonight.
Ready, Matt?
Yeah.
You want the same leg done, Matt, do you?
No, I do the other one, man. Can you do a bit of an impersonation of your dad?
My dad?
Yeah. We're just going to do a stroke down here.
He's very like, you okay if I approach your hamstring now, Matt? I'm about to touch your hamstring, Matt. I'm touching your hamstring, Matt. Is that okay?
Yes.
Good. You just let me know if it's not okay. Okay?
Oh.
I'm here to protect you. Very, very good operator, my dad. He's just started at MMT, if you guys that don't know. And he's 60
years old.
He's 60 years old. Most of his mates are, I guess, retiring, and he feels like he's just starting his life. So it is really cool to see. But he had his first shift at MMT 2 weeks ago, and loved it. Absolutely loved it. It's going to keep him alive and keep him young at heart, I reckon. So, but he's a very, very serious operator, Fonzie. Well, wait till you start working with him. He'll just be
like this.
Yeah, I think we'll have to lighten him up a little bit. I think not lighten him up, just
Feel more natural.
make him. No, he's a gun. He's just very serious mode.
Yeah.
Here to do a job. I'm just getting a feel for Maddie's hammy, and then I'll do some different stuff. Make it interesting.
Do you want to do the other leg?
You want the other leg, Maddie?
Sort of.
Make it a left.
Make your left one feel really good.
Make the left one feel really good.
Really, really, really good.
Really, really good.
You didn't like that idea?
I was just thinking which hamstring, but yeah, no, it was
Which one's your
Oh,
tight one?
they're both sore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe for viewing, for the video, the light.
The light's coming in. We like
Let's do the left.
good light.
We love good light. When Ninja is around,
Yeah, we've got to see what's going on. What's the point of being in the dark?
going across the fibres here, Ninja, you've gone down them, so maybe go across them. I can feel the rope in there. There's just a good old-fashioned rope. Oh. Purus. I'd love to get Spanian in here for a treatment, Ninja. I'd love to show him. You know how you like Max Egan?
Yeah.
My guy's Spanian.
Yeah.
I want to get him in for a treatment. somehow we could reach him,
Yeah.
Who is
get
he?
him in. He's a rapper. He's been in jail quite a lot of his younger life, but he's just like, I don't know, he's just a bit of an influencer now, I think, for a different demographic, probably like a more ethnic, younger demographic, just up and coming, maybe a bit more street kind of kids, you know, and I just love him because he's just really genuine, authentic. Yeah, he's pretty raw. Some of his content's quite full on, but I don't know. Every time I've watched him, since I've started watching him like 6 months ago, I'm just like, you're a boss. I love it.
Is he from Melbourne?
No, he's from Sydney.
Oh.
From Sydney.
Yeah, get him.
Get him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone watching this, go message Spanian on
Spanian.
Instagram.
Get him in for a rub, do you reckon?
Yeah, just
Yeah, of course.
message him and tell him that MMT won ya. That's a good way. That's how people do it.
He's got some great stories from jail. Like, it's fucking such good stuff.
Ah, crikey. Yeah.
So what we're doing now is we're just kind of the hammies. There's quite a few hammies. There's 4 hammies. So there's like different train tracks or lines. So I'm just like digging into one of the lines, and I'm just jostling it a little bit. This is our like footy rub, so you can get a little bit more kind of I guess quick. You don't have to pin things like for as long or as brutally. So I'll just flick over something there. So I'm just going into all these little spaces there. There's a good one right in there. That's where it all is, Matty. Oh, that's some good shit there, Matty. So it just feels like this ledge, and I'm on one side of the ledge pushing down and out. Good, Matty.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that's it there, man.
Oh, holy
Whoa.
gosh. Yeah, you really feel you're like pushing it out.
Pushing it out, man. When you do training, yeah, this stuff can just get a bit sticky when it's healing back, because like the whole purpose of training is we're breaking down our muscles. So we're actually putting small micro tears in our muscles, and the way that muscles grow is that those micro tears build back bigger and stronger. So when you do exercise, your body is actually kind of broken down a little bit, and so massage can be a really good way to make sure that when it's building back up, it's all doing it in a nice kind of efficient and effective way. So you're kind of just like spreading little sticky points that might have risen due to the exercise. Redispersing tension throughout the leg.
It's so tender.
I know, man, it sucks, doesn't it? That's good. So that's one there. I wonder if I've got... There's another little ledge in here. So this is like kind of pushing in to the... almost to the adductors, I guess, but we're just in another little train track there. Is there something there, Matty?
No, it feels okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, but I feel you're on the adductors, yeah.
So that's okay. And then if you see, I can go over one. So I've just flicked over one there. Bang. And I'm just going to go down into there. That feels like it might be a little bit. Not too bad, Matty.
Yeah, not too bad. A little bit of a nugget there.
A little bit of a nugget. And if I go over again, there. So that's him right there. A little bit of vomit came out then from me.
Zoom in on the puddle of vomit. Oh.
I was
Oh,
pushing
crikey.
in there. Crikey Moses. So what about on the outside, Matty? I feel like there's a lot there, but what about on the outside? I think Ninja got in here pretty well. But...
Yeah, it's something a little bit.
Good. What do you reckon, Ninja?
Yeah. Have to give us some feedback, Matty, on how good the left hammy feels compared to the right.
Hell yeah.
Well,
What do you
I
reckon?
remember you guys had treated my left hamstring. I think it was off camera, and I had was like DOMs as well, and it was like the muscle wasn't sore anymore. The right one would catch up, and then eventually in a few days, but it cleared it up.
It's cool how you can kind of get rid of DOMs pretty quick. Eh?
Yeah.
Accelerates the
I usually just let it go, but
the waste gets out.
it's been like 5 days so far. So waiting 10 days for a leg to clear up the bean.
This is a favourite little manoeuvre that I do. So you kind of pin the hamstrings with the heel of the palm there, and we're just flossing them.
When you contract it, that feels like
It's
shit.
painful, isn't it? Normally you kind of release for the contraction phase, and then you just push down for the stretch, you know. Not the contraction, just the shortening.
Oh,
Good, Matty. Bit of a jostle. Look at that. Pick it up. Pick it up and jostle it. It's good, man. Oh, shut up.
Wasn't expecting.
the power of the jostle.
Jostle the whole bloody place.
Bloody earthquake.
That might be good to look back at the slow mo.
Yeah, the head. Boom.
The camera did a bloody double somersault, I think.
Well,
Done.
did it hit?
Done.
Oh, yeah, cool.
You're right.
There you go, Matty.
Thank you. Left leg is going to feel amazing.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining. See you next time.
Done.
Done.
Matty.
Done.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
That's the line. Done.